Hello everyone, got a video here. I got a Harbor Freight Predator 420cc engine that I put on a stump grinder here that I have. See, here's the teeth on it. I had to replace 3 of them. There's 9 altogether. 3 of them were broke from hitting rocks. But my other motor that was on this was a 15 horse. And it was supposed to be a Kohler, but I don't think it was. I think the company that had these switched them out with a cheaper China motor and what the Predators are. But this Predator motor seems to have a whole lot more power than what the others did. It cuts through the stumps a lot better now than what it did with the 15 horse they claimed that it was on here. I've talked to people about these motors and the littler ones, and they've said they've had really good luck out of them. And so far, I've got about 20 hours on this one, and it's doing good yet. I ain't had no issues out of it. I ended up putting a lawnmower garden tractor battery on it. Strapped it down so I wouldn't have to pull the rope. The other one was just pose start only. I'll go ahead and start this one up. It's pretty basic. You got your gas shut off valve here. And this here is your choke. The choke's off right there. We'll go ahead and turn it on. It's going to get a little noisy, so I apologize for that. And that's it. You know, these engines, this one starts every time for me. It don't even hesitate. It's usually like the first crank there, it goes. So I would highly recommend these motors. You know, a lot of people put down the Harbor Freight stuff, but some of it's actually pretty good, and for the price of these motors, you can't beat them. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.